this activity.
Okay, for those who don't know our group yet, our group is called One for Love or One for Lily of the Valley Bible Camp. We are here. Most of us are coming from the youth section to support the
Old people.
to support the foundation, promote the campsite. We have done several church caravan. We've been to 2 churches already, and most of them are here. Lagra congregation and Cubao congregation. We're very thankful for their support, and of course, they have planted in their lots already. Mami Salve planted several fruit-bearing trees and several mango trees, and even Sister Annie also bought 4 big mango trees and also planted several other seedlings. And other landowners already bought seedlings, mango seedlings, but they are not here, so we'll ask the people around here to help in planting and digging for the planting. We will not be around. One for Love will not be around anymore, but I think the foundation will be here to supervise them, and that's it. So just we'll keep you posted in our ongoing projects and promotions. Thank you.